Hello friends, welcome to Free Writing Lessons. In this video, we will look how to write a report on an accident. First, we will revise the format of report that we learned in our previous video. Then, we will learn the exact lines that we need to write. Finally, we will look into an example of report writing including a road accident. So, without a further go, let's get started. So, what is a report? A report is a clear and concise document which is written for a particular purpose and particular audience. The report may be written for a school magazine or journals or newspapers. We already learned how to write a report for an event such as blood donation. In this video, we will understand how to write a report in case of a road accident. Before understanding the format, please remember these 4 points while writing any report that we looked in our previous video. In case you want the detailed description of these points, I will provide the link in the description. Please watch that video after this video. Let's look into the format of a report. In the first line, in the middle, please write the heading of the report in capital letter. The heading contains the incident that took place. After that, in the right hand corner, write reported by, name of the reporter and designation if any. In the left hand corner, write the place of the report and below that write the date on which the report is written. After that comes the body of the report. Body of the report is divided into 3 parts: introduction, main content and conclusion. Number 1 is introduction. In the first line, answer the question in the sequence what happened, who were involved, when it occurred and where it occurred. In the second line, answer the question why the incident took place. And in the third line, you can write the number of person injured or died. When you fulfill this, your introduction completes. Number 2 is main content. Here, you have to write how exactly the incident took place. And number 3, in conclusion, you have to summarize the end of the incident with the current situations regarding the incident. If you notice closely, in the first paragraph, you need to answer the 5 W's: what, who, when, where, and why. And in the second paragraph, you need to answer how it happened. Please remember this and you won't have difficulty in writing any report. So this is the complete format of a report which can be used for any type of incident. Please also note there are some variation in the position of reported by, date and location. Please consult your teacher in case of any confusion and follow the format of your school in case you are in a school. Let's now understand this format with an example of an incident. The question is, a road accident took place on SG Highway in Ahmedabad. Write a report in about 200 words covering the accident as a reporter of Indian Express. Let's start with the heading. 3 died in road accident at SG Highway. Notice all the words are in capital letter. In the right hand side, let's write reported by XYZ, reporter, Indian Express. Please note, if the name is not provided, write XYZ. Please do not write your name. Now in the left hand side, let's write the location which is Ahmedabad and date on which the report is written. Let's write 18th March 2020. Now comes the body of the report. As discussed, it is divided into 3 paragraphs. The first paragraph must have in the first line the answer to the question in the sequence what, who, when, where. And in the second line, you have to write why the incident took place. And in the third line, you can write the number of person died or injured due to the accident. When we fulfill this, our introductory paragraph looks something like this. A terrible road accident occurred between 2 cars on 17th March 2020 late night at Sarkhej Gandhinagar Highway in Ahmedabad. The driver of one of the car was drunk and driving recklessly, which resulted in the collision. 3 people died, including both the drivers, and 4 people were seriously injured. In the second paragraph, we have to write how the accident occurred and what were the consequences. Let's write in this way. 2 cars involved in the accident were Travera, which included 5, and Audi having 2 people in it. The car driver in the Audi was at very high speed, due to which He lost his control and the car jumped the lane and hit the Travera car near Pakwan Crossroad. The police came immediately as they received a call on PCR. They seized the vehicle and noted a case against the Audi driver. The ambulance arrived and all the injured were taken to the KD hospital, of which 2 are in ICU. The bodies were sent to the civil hospital in Ahmedabad for postmortem. And in the final paragraph, we have to summarize the end of the accident with the current situation. Let's write in this way. Police later found empty liquor bottles and glasses from Audi car. They also identified the car driver as the son of Akash Patel, a well-known builder in the city. Further investigation regarding the incident is going on by the police. Combining all three, the final report looks like this. So that's all about report writing in this lesson. Let's quickly revise what we learned in the lesson. First, we understood what is a report. A report is a clear and concise document which is written for a particular purpose and audience. Then, we looked into the key points to remember while writing any report. Then, we looked into the format of the report. We looked in depth on what to write in the body of the report in case of an accident. And finally, with the help of an example, we understood how to write a report of an incident. Thanks for listening. Like, comment, share and subscribe in case you found the video helpful. We will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.